You tell yourself you'll start, but you keep scrolling instead. You sit down to work, but your energy just isn't there. The tasks feel too big, too heavy to even begin. So your brain chooses the easiest option, doing nothing. And slowly, you start calling yourself lazy. But here's the truth. You're not lazy. You're just overwhelmed. And overwhelmed people don't need motivation. They need a simpler starting point. Something small, really small. Start with one tiny action. Move your body, even a little. Set a short timer, just a few minutes. Tell yourself you only need to start, not finish, just begin. Because starting is the hardest part. Once you begin, things feel easier. You gain a little momentum. Then another small step, and another. Slowly, your brain adapts. Big tasks become small steps. Distractions lose their power. Focus becomes natural. You start finishing things. You see progress, and progress feels good. You start earlier. You hesitate less. You feel in control. And one day, you look at your old self and realize how far you've come. All from small steps. Not motivation, but consistency. You're not perfect, but you keep going. And that's what matters. Progress over perfection. Remember this. You don't need to do everything. You just need to start. Even if it's messy, even if it's slow, just don't stop. Because small steps create big change. And that's how you win. One step at a time.